Hey everyone, it's Dylan here at Walnut Ridge Family RV, Newcastle, Indiana. Wanted to go over a few things with you, invite you out to tomorrow. It's our last day for the open house for the show specials. Tomorrow, 9 to 5, come see us, come eat some grub, get some drinks, and come check this Brinkley out. We're looking at the 2810, 36-foot long. I got some cool things to go over with you on this thing. So you have the nice pass-through storage up front. You have storage up underneath. This is massive. If you have a small child, you can put them in there. But seriously, you put your chairs, your tables, stuff like that in there, and it goes all the way across. It's pretty awesome, not gonna lie. You have the new TCS suspension up underneath. So you have the strut, you have the coil. Really, really nice ride quality on there. Less stress on your sidewalls. You will really enjoy the suspension coming down, especially when you're traveling on the road. Check this out. One of Brinkley's really only ones that come with like an outside kitchen. So you do have a refrigerator, you do have a spot that you can put your grill at, you've got drawers in here, you got storage, LP quick connect up underneath, and then on the back side you have your ladder. Does come with a backup camera on all Model Zs. You have a tow hitch back here. You got a little small boat, you got a four-wheeler, golf cart, anything like that that you need, hook it up. You've got a 4-prong there, 3,000 pound rated, you can tow with it. And then it's kind of hard to see, but Lily, come take a look on this side. We'll get to this on the inside. You've got a door on the opposite side. Let's go inside and check it out and see why there's a door there. Come on in. All right, check it out. We are inside the 2810, right in the living room. Lily, if you want to pan around, you're going to notice lots of countertop space, lots of cabinet space, tons of drawers and doors everywhere in this thing. I mean, they are all over. Soft shut cabinet doors. You've got a sink, dishwasher prepped. You have a really residential size stove, oven, and you have your microwave right up top. The good thing is on the back side here, next to your refrigerator, Lily, right back here if you want to take a look, this is a bunk model. So you have kind of a really unique setup. Lots of drawers. You've got a bigger bed on the bottom. You can fit 2 people up top, 2 kiddos up top, and you have a TV in here. They have their own AC in there as well. So you can set that up. They don't have to bother you. You can shut the door, and they have their own access in and out of the camper. So that's pretty cool, right? Still have a sleeper sofa. You got storage up top. Let's take a look in here. Obviously the Brinkley bathroom that everybody absolutely loves. You've got the car wash for your body on the inside of the shower, 1-piece fiberglass. Foot flush toilet that is also porcelain. And then you have a vanity and all that. Check it out. We're in the queen bed up front. You got your third AC in here. Another TV. You can never have too many TVs because it's raining outside or it's really windy out today. You'd probably be inside your camper. More storage. You got hanging space over here. Really, I'm going to flip around and show you this side. You can also remove those, and we could put a washer and dryer setup in here. So it is washer and dryer prepped. This is built and warranted for full-time living. So if you would like to travel around, which a lot of people do like to do that nowadays, you can take your kiddos, you got a spot for them, you got plenty of room in the middle, and you got this. Guys, show special. Come out and check us out. Trust me, you're going to want to be here, and you don't want to miss out on these deals. So come see us. See ya.